Hello everyone, I'm Ken from India company. Today I'm going to introduce you a dishwasher. We call it flight type dishwasher. And this dishwasher is very suitable for uh, around 1,000 people above, such as hotel, school, and restaurant. And as you see, this is the control panel. So after setting up the electricity, we turn to the adding water, and then you see the power is on. And here, that means the water is adding to the water tank, and that means the machine is preheating. And after the green light and the yellow light is off, that means the water tank temperature is reached to 50, and the boiler temperature is reached to 80. So you can press the green button. That means the water pump start to run, and the machine will go through. So after waiting for 20 minutes, you will see the adding water lights and the preheating lights will off. Then you can turn the nuts to lower speed or higher speed, and then press the water pumps on. So you will see the machine is running right now. And this time, you can put all the 30 plates into the pipe. So it will go through main washing and rinse here. In other hand, you can also add a dryer here, but it's optional. Usually, operating this machine, we need at least 2 people. One people stand on the entrance, place the plates, and the other one standing in the exit, and then take the plate out.